So the first question is, can you turn left here without going the wrong way?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. And it's your turn. Oh, he's going to go first. Okay. You see the stop line only goes halfway across. That's a clue that it's okay. It's a two-way. The cars are parked at the yellow line. Only one stop sign on the corner. Can we make a right turn here?
No.
No.
Just the signs.
You see the arrow, right? But what else?
The signs.
Yeah.
And
Two do not enter. Okay.
straight.
And, sorry, let's make a left turn. Yeah, I'm asleep at the wheel. You're turning into the correct choice of lane. If that police officer wasn't there, you'd still turn here. And we'll make a right lane change. We're going to keep going straight at the stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at the intersection up here. Which lane do you need to get into for that? Yes, okay, good. In other words, it's illegal to make a left turn from the right lane. And unsafe too. Pardon me?
No, I went like this.
Oh, the under, yeah, you're grabbing it. We're going to keep going straight. I was more concerned with your rolling stop. Did you notice that you didn't stop? Okay, make sure you stop before the line. And then we're going to turn left just after this blue building.
Okay.
There's a slip lane there for you. See the opening in the yellow line? That's where you turn. They got this concrete median here to divide the two sides of the roadway because it's a one-way. That lane is unavailable. Make sure nobody's coming. So you're choosing the next available lane. It's a mess downtown.
Yeah.
Jeez. And then at the stop sign, we're going to turn right. There, you feel that little kickback in your seat. That's the evidence that we're looking for.